Alright, welcome back to Keith 60 Hotshot Adventures. Customer called me with their 2017 Kia. Said it was running rough. They felt like the car was shaking. So, brought my simple scanner. Saw the check engine light flashing, which is a pretty solid sign that there's a misfire. So, go ahead, pop your cover off. Let's give it a tug. It's got a couple little stuff. Some little rubber grommets, it keeps it there. So let's give it a little yank. Don't be scared. I usually just kind of grab each corner and just pop each one individually. And they're just held down there by the name for these, I think, is jerry balls or something. Anyways, I've already started the diagnosis. I started the car. It was shaking. Went ahead and used a little knife. Popped the clips on all four of the coil packs here. And basically just went through. My scanner said it was 3, but I confirmed it by individually unplugging each sensor to see if the motor shake out better or worse. So I unplugged 1, shook terrible, plugged it back in, undid 2, so on and so forth. Undid, in my case, I unplugged 3 at the time, and no change in the motor. Still was shaking, plugged it all back in, like, okay, I shut it off. And just to make sure it wasn't a spark plug problem, 10mm. Undid the screw there, undid the screw on 1. So I did a swap. I put 1 in 3, 3 in 1, etc. Started the car back up, redid the same plug test again, and it followed the coil pack. So when I unplugged 3, it shook bad. When I unplugged 1 at this point, after I swapped it, no change in the shake. So I determined it was the coil pack. So I went ahead and ran up to the local local parts store. Just grabbed a Master Pro, so that's what we're going to do here real quick. We're going to just grab some Dialux grease. I don't know how some people feel about it, but we're just going to throw some of that on there. So in the future, we only got about shy of 80,000 on this 2-liter. So I'm going to get to swapping this out. Okay, so we got that put back in. Tighten down, threw a little of that dielectric grease on it. Might be a little hard to hear me over the motor there, but now the motor is sitting perfectly still, no shake at all. It was noticeable shake, so it's not like you had to like look for it or listen for it. And there's a check engine light. And when I got here, I kind of gave it a little bit of squeeze on a little bit, gave it a little bit of throttle, and it just you could feel the car just shaking. Misfiring, and then the check engine light, it was blinking on off. So this was thankfully a quick, easy fix for this customer. It wasn't too expensive for him, so I'm gonna go ahead and clear that code and get them on their way. Thanks for tuning in.